Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Crosshair X on PS5. First, understand that the PlayStation 5 console does not natively support custom crosshairs or third-party overlays. To achieve this, you will need a personal computer, a capture card, and the Crosshair X application. This setup allows you to overlay a custom crosshair onto your game feed before it reaches your display. To begin, ensure you have a capable personal computer running the Crosshair X application. Next, acquire a reliable capture card, such as an Elgato or a Ver Media model, which will process your PlayStation 5's video output. You will also need 2 high-quality HDMI cables to connect your devices properly. These components form the backbone of your custom crosshair setup. Start by connecting one HDMI cable from your PlayStation 5's HDMI output to the input port on your capture card. Then, use the second HDMI cable to connect the capture card's output to your gaming monitor or television. Finally, launch the Crosshair X application on your personal computer. You can now select your desired crosshair and position it over the game feed displayed on your PC. With everything connected, make sure your personal computer is actively displaying the video feed from your capture card. You should now see your PlayStation 5 game with the Crosshair X overlay. Take time to adjust the crosshair's size, color, and opacity within the application to best suit your preferences and game environment. For more tips and other deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.